Give me a second here. In my text, I talk about discrimination my mother faced growing up in Englewood, New Jersey.
Can't hear you so well.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to just mention one family anecdote from my this long writing. My mom was born in 1919 in New York, grew up in working middle class in Englewood, New Jersey. She's one of maybe 2 or 3 Jewish students in her elementary school. Her folks were immigrants, my grandparents from Poland and Belarus. They were not school educated at all, but they learned how to read and write in more than one language, like English, Yiddish, Polish. They went around a dry cleaners in Englewood. My mom, in her grade school, in a class around 4th grade, the teacher asked students to tell a family anecdote about one's family background. So my mom asked her dad, my grandpa Harry, and he told her the Jewish custom among the very devout Orthodox and Hasidim of holding a live chicken in one's hand and waving the chicken around in the air during Yom Kippur, which is the holiest day of the year in the Jewish calendar, which follows Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year. My mom told the teacher and the classmates about this custom as done with a live chicken, and she related this story to me some years ago. She said her classmates and teacher were shocked, and Mom said she was incredibly embarrassed. No wonder. And it's interesting, when you're a minority person in a dominant other society, people face all kinds of things. And I think about in the Trump era, hatred of and his mocking the disabled. Hispanics, Hispanic Americans, Asians, Asian Americans. He's never apologized for the birth and race aid campaign. And the list goes on and on and on. And again, the gun genocide just is all wrapped up right in there with, it just appalls me. I also mentioned my mom went to, she was the first family member on her side of the family to go to college. She went to New York University, 1937 to 41. Once she told me of a student she met one day, the student I think from Oklahoma,